Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 monkeypox related stocks to add to your watch list this week. I'll go over levels that I see in the chart, as well as levels I'm looking to play myself, and if I'm going to take these trades at all. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go The first stock I'd like to take a look at is SIGA. This is a 1-minute chart. Let's go ahead and mark the support and resistance levels. There we go. Now, I know this looks like a giant mess. Just bear with me. I'm going to mark all the levels that I'm attracted to as a trader. Now that we have these gaps mapped out, let me go ahead and explain. This chart on the right-hand side, you'll see all of these levels. These are support and resistance levels. I use these to trade off of when day trading. If you see this gap in the middle, this 8% gap, you can see it has a cluster of resistance, which equals a red flag. This is a major red flag that I go over in one of my recent videos. Whenever there's a cluster of resistance, maybe I don't choose to take the trade here because of that red flag. Maybe I choose a gap that's going to favor me a little bit more as a trader. Next up, I have ticker GOVX on a 5-minute chart. Let's go ahead and mark the support and resistance now. Alright, now that I have those levels marked, let's go ahead and look at those gaps and evaluate which one's going to be more favorable to us as the trader. As we can see, now we are allowed to manage risk. If I'm looking to take a trade near the bottom, I can then set a stop loss below a level because a close below there equals a bearish signal. If we close above one of these levels, maybe I take the trade thinking that it's going to hold that level of support and then hit the next target. Now, of course, just because we have these attractive gaps doesn't mean that they get filled. We are going to need price action and volume above all. But now we can see if volume and price action does show itself, we have gaps that are mapped out for us as a trader to really manage risk, which is very important for longevity in today's market. Next up, we have ticker AEMD. Let's go ahead and mark those support and resistance levels now. Alright, now that we have our levels, let's go ahead and evaluate which level is going to be more attractive to us as a trader. Now we can quickly see levels of resistance where we may not want to take the trade, or if we do take the trade, we'll greatly reduce our size to manage our risk, or maybe we wait for one of these more attractive gaps. Being a full-time day trader means I need volume and price action before entering into my trades. Although this may look attractive, if we don't have volume coming into one of these gaps, then for me, that's a major red flag. I go over 5 major red flags in a recent video, and if you haven't checked that out, I'll add a link in the description below. Now here are a few honorable mentions that didn't make today's video. A few other monkeypox related names added to the watch list this week is TNXP, CMRX, INO, and BVNRY. Now if you've enjoyed this video and want more like this one, make sure to smash that like button, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.